how DAOs, Decentralized Autonomous Organizations, are changing governance. In today's video, we'll break down what DAOs are and how they work, why DAOs are replacing traditional corporations, how DAOs are powering DeFi, NFTs, and crypto gaming, why KK4 is integrating DAO principles into its ecosystem. Plus, stick around to learn how you can claim 1,000 KK4 tokens daily. What are DAOs and how they work? Why DAOs and how do they work? A DAO, Decentralized Autonomous Organization, is a community-led organization that operates on blockchain smart contracts. There's no CEO, no central authority, just transparent, democratic decision-making. Instead of a boardroom, DAO members vote on proposals using crypto governance tokens. Decisions are automated through smart contracts. No manipulation, no middlemen. Anyone can participate by holding governance tokens and voting on major decisions. DAOs give power back to the people. DAOs in crypto, DeFi and Web3. DAOs are everywhere in crypto. They run DeFi platforms, NFT projects, and even entire Metaverse economies. DeFi DAOs. Platforms like Uniswap and MakerDAO use DAOs to control lending, staking, and trading policies. NFT DAOs. Communities vote on which NFTs to invest in, create, or sell. Gaming DAOs. AMAs decide game updates, tokenomics, and play-to-earn reward structures. Everything is transparent and community-driven. Because blockchain records every decision, how KK4 is embracing DAO governance. At KK4, we believe in decentralization and community governance. That's why we're building DAO principles into our ecosystem. Community voting, fair staking and rewards, Metaverse and NFT decisions. With KK4's DAO governance, you control the future of blockchain gaming. KK4 Airdrop giveaway. Want to earn 1,000 KK4 tokens daily? Join our KK4 Airdrop giveaway. Follow KK4 on all social media platforms. Drop your Solflare wallet address in the comments. Join the KK4 community and shape the future of Web3 gaming. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay ahead in the crypto revolution.